सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। कृदन्त प्रकरणे अस्माभिः प्रथमः कृदन्त प्रत्ययः दृष्टः। तुमुन् प्रत्यय। तुमुन् प्रत्यय विषये कानि सूत्राणि सन्ति? कुत्र कुत्र तुमुन् प्रत्ययः उपयोक्तुं शक्यते तस्य उदाहरणानि इत्यादिकानि अस्माभिः सर्वाण्यपि दृष्टानि। अधुना अग्रिमः प्रत्ययः अस्ति त्वा प्रत्यय। त्वा प्रत्यय विषये वयं नाम सरलसंस्कृते वयं पठितवन्तः एव, किन्तु किञ्चित् सूत्राश्रयं कृत्वा किञ्चित् पुनः तम् एव विचारम् अहम् अत्र प्रतिपादयामि। त्वा प्रत्ययः। अधुना त्वा प्रत्ययः तथा लेप् प्रत्ययः उभयोः अर्थः समान एव, having done something, right? यदा त्वा प्रत्ययः क्रियापदेन सह उपयुज्यते, धातुना सह उपयुज्यते, तदा तत् त्वा प्रत्ययान्त फॉर्म यद्भवति, रूपं यद्भवति तद् अव्ययं भवति, इनडिक्लाइनेबल इट बिकम्स। पुनश्च त्वा प्रत्ययान्त रूपं लेप् प्रत्ययान्त रूपं यद्भवति तत् अपूर्ण क्रिया भवति। नाम आफ्टर getting the form of twa pratyanta rupam, we need to put some another kriya pada, purna kriya pada along with that. For example, ramah bhuktva अथवा ramah patitva. This is not purna sentence. पूर्णं वाक्यं एतद् नास्ति। पूर्णं कदा भविष्यति? यदा त्वा प्रत्यय सहितं पूर्ण क्रियापदं यदि वाक्ये अस्ति चेत् तद्वाक्य इति शब्देन व्यवह्रियते। एकपद एकतिङ् वाक्यम् इति वाक्यस्य व्याख्या वर्तते। कम से कम एक तिगंत फॉर्म वहां होना चाहिए। So त्वा प्रत्ययांत फॉर्म, लेप् प्रत्ययांत फॉर्म, तुमुनंत फॉर्म, even though they are kridantas, but they are not tiganta. So at least one tiganta we need to add along with these kridanta forms. Okay, so tva pratyanta, lep pratyanta meaning is same. They both become indeclinable words. They both are apurna only, and it requires some another purna kriya, purna dhatu to get the meaning of sentence, to complete the meaning of sentence. सूत्रमस्ति समानकर्तृकयोः पूर्वकाले। सूत्रं पाणिनिना लिखितं। समानकर्तृयोः वाक्यम् एकं वाक्यं वदामि, तेन पुनः सूत्रार्थं प्रतिपादयामि। रामः विद्यालयं गच्छति पठति। इदं वाक्यमस्ति, रामः विद्यालयं गच्छति पठति। अत्र यदि त्वा प्रत्ययस्य उपयोगः करणीयः चेत् अस्मिन् वाक्ये कर्ताः एकः एव स्यात्। कर्ता एकः एव स्यात्। एकेन एव कर्त्रा समान क्रिया यदि कृता वर्तते तासु, नाम तत्र एक क्रियाद्वयं वा भवतु, क्रियात्रयं वा भवतु, अनेकाः क्रियाः वा भवतु, याः याः क्रियाः समाप्तिं याताः तासां स्थाने त्वा प्रत्ययो उपयुज्यते। अधुना वाक्यं मया उक्तं, रामः विद्यालयं गच्छति पठति। If he has completed first action and he is the same karta, agent of both action, then whatever action is finished at that place, tva pratyamanta form can be used. Like for example, ramah vidyalayam gacchati will be replaced by tva pratyamanta form gatva patati. So ramah vidyalayam gatva patati. That is how Paniji explains if there is a samana karta. So one karta should be there who should perform both the action, or more than two action also can be taken here. समानकर्तृकयोः धात्वर्थयोः पूर्वकाले विद्यमानात् धातोः. सो नाउ पूर्वक्रियाया वर्तते, पूर्वाक्रियाया वर्तते, तस्मिन् धातौ अथवा तस्मात् धातोः त्वा प्रत्ययान्त फॉर्म will be added. Right? So gachati was first kriya. That's how along with gam dhatu, twa pratyay is added, it becomes gatva. And Paniniji himself is giving the meaning bhuktva vrajati. Okay, Varadrajacharya is giving the meaning bhuktva vrajati. Means what? Having eaten, he moves or he goes. Similarly, pitva vrajati. So one karta only, we can refer the karta, we can identify or we can guess the karta by looking at the Tuganta form. Vrajati. Vrajati shows saha vrajati. Saha kim krutva vrajati? Saha bhuktva vrajati. So this is the meaning. So thus, bhuktva gacchati meaning is having eaten, he goes. Pitva gacchati means what? Having drunk, he goes. And Ramaha Vidyalayam gacchati. That sentence we have already seen. Hmm. Okay. Next slide. तत्र केचन नियमाः सन्ति पुनः मूलधातुः यः वर्तते तेन धातुना सह नाम सह धातु सेट् अस्ति वा नेट् अस्ति वा नाम इडागमः तस्य कृते भवति वा न भवति वा इति कृत्वा एकः विचारः मध्ये वा आयाति किन्तु तद्विचारम् अधुना किञ्चित् प्रतिपादयामि केचन धातवः सन्ति तत्र इडागमः भवति केचन धातवः सन्ति तत्र इडागमः न भवति तेषां लिस्ट् अग्रे दीयते एव इति कृत्वा समस्या नास्ति मूलधातु इट् आगमः करणीयः पुनश्च त्वा प्रत्ययः ऐड् करणीयः भवति एतद् भवति फॉर्मेशन हाउ टू फॉर्म द त्वा प्रत्ययान्त फॉर्म राइट सो फॉर एग्जांपल पठ इज अ सेट धातु मीन्स व्हाट इटा सहितः सेट सेट नाम इट सहित इडागम सहित तो पठ will be there along with that it agama nama e will be added along with that path dhatu. So pathi it is going to be. Then after idagama we have to add twa pratyanta form. Actually it should be twa but ka gets its somya only remains twa. I can write it down. There is some issue.
Can you repeat what that how that k goes away? I didn't get it.
It gets
Wow.
Saudhya.
What Saumya? What is? I'm sorry, I don't understand Saumya very well.
Huh. Okay. It Saudhya means like a Halantyam Sutram we have studied. Okay. So Halantam Sutra, what it says, if the एक मिनट है ये पूर्ण स्क्रीन कर देता हूँ हलंत सूत्रम says if you find halanta varna at the end of any dhatu pratyay etc then that halanta any letter is going to get eta savnya and by tasya lopah it will be dropped. For example, let's see what was that ayun ayun rilrik. In first sutra ayun the last letter of that sutra is na murdhanya na ayun, right? So halantyam sutram says upadeshe antyam hal it syat. It is going to get it savnya. So the sutram is called upadesha. So upadeshe यदि अन्ते हल् वर्णः नाम व्यञ्जनम् अस्ति चेत् तस्य व्यञ्जनस्य लोपः भवति तस्य लोप इत्यनेन it will get it संज्ञा and it will be dropped. Now there are almost 6 sutras which describe about its संज्ञा. So halantyam is one sutra. Then I will give the list of you know few sutras. Just a minute. It became very slow. What happened to this? So here is the list. Halantyam, Navibhakti Tusmah, Adini Tudavah, Shah Pratyayasya, Chotu, Lashakvatadhite. So from this sutra to this sutra, up to Lashakvatadhite, they explain about those sutras explain about it saujnya, which letter will get it saujnya, and whichever letter is getting it saujnya, that it saujnyak letter will be dropped by tasya lopah. Okay, so lashakvatadhite sutra, if you say, it says, let's go towards Laghu Siddhanta. तद्धितवर्ज प्रत्ययाद्याः लशक वर्गा इतस्यु. So remember this one, lashakva taddhite. I will explain in slide. Then I will put. Lashakva taddhite is the sutra, and what it says, तद्धितवर्ज pratyayadyaha. If you are finding any pratyaya, but how that pratyaya should be? Tadhita varja. It should not be tadhita pratyaya. Okay. And if you find any letter from this, la, sha, or ka varga. So basically, twa pratyaya. There is no la, there is no sha, but there is a letter from ka varga. Right? Twa, ka is there. That ka pratyaya, that ka letter is going to get its saujnya, and by tasya lopah, it is going to drop out. So what will remain? Only twa. Twa will remain. Ka will be dropped. Okay. So this is how it happens. So pat plus a plus twa. Twa will remain patitva. Similarly, bhu dhatu is anita dhatu. Idagama we cannot do in between. So bhu plus twa, bhutva. And there are some veta dhatu. Veta means vikalpena idagama bhavati. Ekada bhavati, ekada na bhavati. For example, bhausha dhatu is there. So once if you do idagama, it will become bhamshitva. And if in another paksha, if you don't want to do idagama, it will be bhamshtva. Some sandhi karya will happen. Ta will change into ta. That's how. Right? So yeah, this is the formation. Some rules are there. The suffix tva is added only to the root and not prefixed by upasarga. Not to those kriya pada, which is what? Presided by क्रिया पद. तो ये रूल बेसिकली ये बता रहा है कि त्वा प्रत्ययंत फॉर्म त्वा प्रत्यय यू विल बी एडिंग विथ डायरेक्टली क्रियापद, नॉट विथ दैट क्रियापद विच हैज उपसर्ग. ओके, उपसर्ग पूर्वक धातो हो त्वा प्रत्यय उपयोक्तुम न शक्य. वी कैन नॉट यूज त्वा प्रत्यय अलॉन्ग विथ उपसर्गांत धातु. उपसर्गादि धातु. Okay, not upasarganta, upasargadi dhatu. Okay, and again, प्रश्नः अस्ति वा तत्र क्वश्चन? नास्ति खलु अस्तु after having completed the action if the subject does another action then tva pratyaya is added to the to completed the action to complete the action not completed na complete the action okay for example ramah gacchati ha ramah क्रीडितुं गच्छति so basically ramah क्रीडितुं गच्छति किंतु कदा having completed one action ramah पठित्वा क्रीडितुं गच्छति so having read having studied he goes to play ramah क्रीडितुं गच्छति so that is how one if one karta a single karta does two or more than two actions whatever actions has been done by him into that place we need to add tva pratyayant. So Ramah khaditva, pitva, patitva, kreditum gacchati. That is how we can make the sentence. The verbal forms formed with tva pratyaya and they are indeclinable. We have already seen. So these are some rules you can read later. The meaning of tva pratyaya and le pratyayanta is the same. Optionally, ragama will come for tva pratyayanta and not for lebanta form. We cannot use that iragama along with lebanta. So lebanta even becomes simple. Okay. Now again, same rules into Sanskrit I have put here. Tva pratyayah prathamayaha क्रियायाः समाप्तिं दर्शयति तथा च द्वितीयायाः क्रियायाः आरम्भं च सूचयति. So it actually indicates that first kriya has finished and now karta is doing next kriya, right? So there यदा एकः एव कर्ता क्रियाद्वयं करोति तदा या क्रिया आरम्भे समाप्ता तस्याः स्थाने त्वा प्रत्ययः भवति. So same rule. So if one karta has finished, if he is performing two kriya and whichever kriya is been finished, unto that place we have to do tva pratyaya. For example, aham snanam karo. There is a typo. अहम स्नानं करोमि देवं च पूजयामि. अधुना वक्तुं शक्यम्. अहं स्नानं करोमि पुनश्च देवं पूजयामि. तत्र कर्ता एकः एव अस्ति. अहम् इति कर्ता वर्तते. अयं कर्ता क्रियाद्वयं कुर्वन् अस्ति. स्नानं करोति देवं पूजयति. तत्र क्रियाद्वय मध्ये या क्रिया प्रथमतया समाप्तिं याति समाप्ता भवति क्रिया सा तस्याः स्थाने किं कर्तव्यं त्वा प्रत्ययान्त फॉर्म तत्र उपयोक्तव्यं. यथा करोति विल बी चेंज इनटू कृत्वा अहं स्नानं कृत्वा देवान् अथवा देवं पूजयामि. सः एव नियमः किञ्चित् विस्तारेण पुनः अत्र प्रतिपादितः. एकः एव कर्ता क्रियाद्वयं वा अधिकाः क्रियाः अपि कर्तुं शक्नोति. he can perform two or more than two actions also. तो प्रथमासु समाप्तासु क्रियासु त्वा प्रत्ययः भवति. So whichever actions has been finished by him, so त्वा प्रत्ययान्त form will be used along with those kriyas. For example, कैलासः विद्यालयं गत्वा पाठं स्मृत्वा गृहं च आगच्छति. तथैव माता गृहं गत्वा कार्यं कृत्वा च उपविशति. कार्यं कृत्वा च उपविशति. Similarly, Shweta उच्चैः श्लोकान् उक्त्वा स्मरति. So some examples, familiar examples. अत्र क्रियापदानां साक्षात् रूपाणि प्रदत्तानि इति कृत्वा कः धातुः सेट् अस्ति कः धातुः नेट् अस्ति इत्यादिकं चिन्तनम् एव न क्रियते. साक्षात् रूपं स्मृत्वा तत्र वाक्यानि निर्मातव्यानि. अधुना एकम् एकं वाक्यं भवन्तः रचयन्तु. अत्र एरो किमर्थं नागच्छति. अहं वदन्तु, एकमेकं वाक्यं वदन्तु। सर्वैः एकमेकं वाक्यं रचनीयम्।
रामः
हम्म।
लङ्कां गत्वा
हम्म।
सीतां how does he say he saves the Sita.
He what?
Save
Saves. Okay, रक्षति।
रक्षति। रामः लङ्कां गत्वा सीतां रक्षति।
सीतां रक्षति, समीचीनम्। सर्वैः वक्तव्यम्।
अहं संगीतं श्रुत्वा
हम्म।
पठनं करोमि।
अहं सङ्गीतं श्रुत्वा पठनं करोमि, समीचीनम्।
सा आपणिकं गत्वा शाटिकां क्रीणाति।
आपणं गत्वा इति वक्तव्यम्। आपणिकः शॉप।
आपणं।
आपणं गत्वा शाटिकां क्रीणाति, समीचीनम्। इतोपि?
सेविका स्थालिकां क्षालयित्वा धरति। Is dhati the correct word?
आमां।
She keeps. Okay.
She
keeps it is what I'm trying to say. So dharati is correct for that.
स्थापयति।
Sthapayati. Okay. Thank you. Yes.
अहं प्रदर्शनं दृष्ट्वा गृहम् आगच्छामि।
प्रदर्शनं दृष्ट्वा गृहम् आगच्छामि, समीचीनम्।
What does that mean? Pradarsanam drishtva. Oh, she went to see some. Okay, went to see some
exhibition.
Okay.
समीचीनम्।
छात्राः श्लोकान् स्मृत्वा वदति।
वदन्ति छात्राः खलु?
वदन्ति।
शिशुः दुग्धं पीत्वा how do you say sleep?
Nidram.
Nidram karoti. Shayati. Can I say shayati?
शेते। शेते शयनं करोति।
शेते
निद्रां करोति।
शयनं करोति।
अहं चायं पीत्वा अध्ययनं करोमि।
चायं पीत्वा अध्ययनं करोमि, समीचीनम्।
अहं जलं नीत्वा पचति।
पुनः पुनः
भोजनं अहं जलं नीत्वा स्नानं करोति और भोजनं पचति।
along with
पचामि।
हाँ, करेक्ट। पुनः
sorry.
वदन्तु वदन्तु।
पत्रं लिखित्वा प्रेषयतु।
पत्रं लिखित्वा प्रेषयतु, समीचीनम्।
बालकः क्रीडाङ्गणं पतित्वा रोदिति।
समीचीनम्। अग्रिमम्।
अहं श्लोकं स्मृत्वा पारायणं करोमि।
अहं श्लोकं स्मृत्वा पारायणं करोमि, साधु। अस्तु, एतेषां सर्वेषाम् अभ्यासः एवं करणीयम्। यदि अनेकाः क्रियाः समाप्तिं याताः तत्रापि कर्तुं शक्यते। एकवारं कर्ता बहु बहु बहवः नाम बह्वी क्रियाः कर्तुं पारयति खलु, तत्रापि शक्यते। यथा रामः वनं गत्वा राक्षसं हत्वा सीता रावणं मारयित्वा अयोध्यां प्रति आगच्छति. So many kriyas. So this is how you have to make. You have to add more kriya padas, more tva pratyanta and make sentences.
Can I say choraha, chorayitva
Hmm.
dhavati?
That is again two kriyas only. So once he's
You want us to use more kriyas, okay. Choraha gruham gatva chorayitva dhavati.
चोरः गृहं गत्वा धनं चोरयित्वा धावति. समीचीनम्.
Yeah, correct.
बालकः गृहं गत्वा पाठं पठित्वा जलं पीत्वा निद्रति.
भुक्त्वा.
समीचीनम्.
like रजकः सरोवरं गत्वा वस्त्राणि क्षालयित्वा गृहम् आगच्छति.
गृहम् आगच्छति. वेरी गुड.
सा भोजनं कृत्वा खादित्वा दानं दत्त्वा गृहं प्रति आगच्छति.
Very good. Now you can make now sentences by not making any mistakes. So feeling good, feeling happy. All are able to make sentences, right? Very quickly. Now we'll make some sentences we'll take some exercises from Gita, etc. Right? So, Sukha Dukhe Same Kritva Labha Labhau Jaya Jayau Tato Yuddhaya Yujjasva Naivam Papam Avapsyasi. Bhagavan is telling to the Arjuna. What Bhagavan is trying to explain? शक्यते वा अस्य अन्वयः कर्तुं शक्यते वा?
Yeah, so says if you sukha dukhe same krutva labha labhau same krutva jaya jayo same krutva tataha yuddhaya yujyasva naivam papam avapsyasi.
सरलः एव अन्वयः. केवलं सुख दुःखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभौ समे कृत्वा जया जयो सुख दुःखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभौ समौ कृत्वा जया जयौ समौ कृत्वा इति वक्तव्यं. सरलम्. कः अस्य अर्थः? समे कृत्वा नाम किं कृत्वा? एकदा लाभः कर्तव्यः अन्यदा अलाभः कर्तव्यः एवं वा? लिटरल मीनिंग स्वीकर्तव्यः वा? समे कृत्वा नाम किं? नाम एकदा अहं पुण्यं करोमि एकदा पापं करोमि तेन समानं भविष्यति इति वा?
Be equal in all experiences. Don't get too happy when good things happen, and don't get too sad when bad things happen, or during loss and gain and victory and defeat. Then if you do the yuddha, I mean, I guess in the life also, if you go through life like that, then you will not incur any sin. But any sin means like your vasanas will be reduced. That's how I can put it.
Yeah. So same kritva you have to means before getting into any action, we should have this understanding. Sukha dukhe same kritva, isn't it? Whatever you do, the result you are going to get either bad or good. It is It is, it is nitya. We cannot change it. So whatever result you get, so by basic idea is we should have prasada buddhi into that. That is called karma yoga only. That is karma yoga. So whatever result, whatever actions we are performing, the fruit of action is going to take place, or it is going to come to us. So whatever it comes, we have to be happy in that. Sama sukha dukkham, it might be sukham because of our punya karma. It might be dukkham because of our something wrong actions or our prarabdha. Sometimes we will get gains, we get gains, etc. We get labha, alabha, jaya, ajaya. This is going to come at the end of some action. But tataha, yodhaya yujjasva, when we have clear understanding, oh, anyway, this going to come to me, and I have to go through it because it is my prarabdha. I have to go through it. I have to experience it, and I have to finish that prarabdha. So thinking that tataha yudhaya yujjasva, you get engaged into war, or for yuddha. And then what will happen if you don't have any the I-ness or my-ness into that? Then naivam papam avapsasi. Even you kill anyone, if you think I'm not a karta, then you are not going to get that papam. So this is how Bhagavan explains. Again in second chapter, probably it comes Kshudram Hrudaya Daurbalyam Tyaktva Uttishta Bharata. So again in second chapter it comes. Right, in second chapter only, na? Klaibyam masma gamah partha naitattvayupapadyate kshudram hrudaya daurbalyam tyaktva uttishta bharata. Tyaktvottishta bharata, it might be. Tyaktvottishta bharata it is. Tyaktvottishta bharata. Yes. हे भारत अन्वय शक्यते वा केनापि कर्तुं प्रयत्नः क्रियते वा?
हे भारत त्वं क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यं त्यागं करोतु. त्यागं करोतु.
सरलः. हे भारत त्वं क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यं त्यक्त्वा उत्तिष्ठ. तत्रैव सर्वमस्ति. अनेनैव ज्ञातुं शक्यते गीतार्थः. हे भारत, Shudram Hridaya Daurbalyam, whatever you are thinking that those people belong to me, I belong to them, I don't want to fight, they are my guru, they are my acharya, etc., etc. So this is not good for Kshatriya. When he is a Kshatriya, when he has decided, you have to think before going to the war, they are my Pitamahan, they are my acharya, etc., etc. Now you have come over the ground and telling, no, I am not going to fight. So it is not going to work. Give up this Hridaya Daurbalyam, Kshudram, and it is very, Kshudra. Give up that and Uttishta. Hey Bharata, Uttishta. This is how Bhagavan says. And particularly whenever Bhagavan uses some, Sambodhana, it has some meaning. He is using Bharata. One who is engaged into knowledge is called Bharata. Bhayam Rataha. Iti Bharata. One who is engaged into the knowledge. So you are Bharata. You get up. This is how Bhagavan is explaining. Tyaktva, having given up. Hridaya Daurbalyam, right? Durbalata of that Hridayam, and it is very small. So give up that and get up. Sahayajnya praja, visarga is missing. Sahayajnya should be there. Sahayajnya praja sruštva purovacha prajapatihi anena prasavishadhvam Eshavottvishta kamadhuk. So, shlok number you remember. Sahayajnyaha prajaha srishtva pura uvacha prajapatihi. Prajapatihi pura uvacha. Ekada prajapatihi uvacha iti vaktum shakyate. Athva pura प्रजापतिः उवाच ब्रह्मदेव प्रजापतिः नाम ब्रह्मदेवः उवाच कदा उवाच इति पृष्टे सति वक्तुं शक्यते सह यज्ञाः प्रजाः सृष्ट्वा सह यज्ञाः यज्ञैः सहिताः प्रजां सृष्ट्वा इति अर्थः सृष्ट्वा इति बहुवचनं कृतं द्वितीया बहुवचनं सह यज्ञाः प्रजाः सृष्ट्वा उन्होंने पहले क्या किया यज्ञ के सहित प्रजा की उत्पत्ति की then he explained something to them right what he explained अनेन प्रसविष्यध्वम अनेन यज्ञेन यज्ञों के द्वारा क्या करिएगा अनेन प्रसविष्यध्वम एषवः एषः वह तु इष्टकामधुक् अनेन यज्ञेन प्रसविष्यध्वम you shall make them happy you shall make deities happy and once you make them happy then this yajna is going to be kamadhuk okay you perform yajna through this yajna so if you perform yajna this yajna is going to be kamadhuk for you whatever you desire it is going to provide to you this is how Bhagavan explains okay then janma karma
अस्ति sorry सृष्ट्वा का root सृज
सृज धातु it becomes सृष्ट्वा okay then
so in that srishtva is one action completed so then what is the next the dhatu there
uvacha
prasavi
plain
uvacha okay correct
okay next janma karma cha me divyam evam yo vetti tatvatah tyaktva deham punarjanma naiti mameti sorjuna okay this is the shloka again naiti mameti sorjuna let me write it down we have only 1 minute tyaktva deham punarjanma naiti mameti sorjuna okay the meaning जन्म च कर्म च मे दिव्यम अस्ति मम जन्म मम कर्म दिव्यम अस्ति इति मत्वा एवं यो व्यक्ति तत्वतः एवं तत्वतः यह व्यक्ति जानाति one who knows that my birth and my actions are divine so having known this kind of things one who gives up body tyaktva deham punarjanma na eti having given up his body he doesn't come or he doesn't take another birth he becomes mukta what happens to him punarjanmam ne eti sah mam eti he comes to me o arjuna sah mam eti agacchati that is the meaning right